Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and this is my gold analysis. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So, anyways, gold has been drifting up pretty good so far this week and a little bit on Friday. But keep in mind that this 1 hour time frame is down. We do not have a breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame. If you are trading below the 1 hour time frame, what I would do is I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this last leg down. If we get a one, two, three waves up to a Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, and we get a nice little fib bounce, a nice little push down, a nice engulfing move at a fib level, I would probably take it as another sort. If we go back up to like the daily time frame, I think we are very clearly in a wave four right now. I think this is a one, two, three, and then this is a four of five, and then it's going to eventually go up for another five of five, probably at least to this 278.6, which is right around the $3,070 range. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this wave four is probably going to last around the same time as this wave two. So that should give you a really good idea of when to expect the end of this correction, which I definitely don't think it's going to happen today. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, more than likely this correction is not over. More than likely it's going to end up stretching out for at least another few days. So if you do get another lower high, if you do get another significant push to the downside, I would definitely be looking for shorts if you're trading on the 1 hour time frame and below. If you are trading a little bit of a higher time frame, then I would definitely be looking at this as some sort of a wave four. So if you do get maybe something like this over the next day or so, and then an impulsive up and a break of structure, that would probably be the end of a wave four and probably the continuation up for the wave five. And this should be a wave five on the much higher time frames too. So if we get a three, four, five up to this area right here, it could lead to a much more significant turn to the downside. But with gold being in an uptrend, one of the strongest uptrends of 2024, I don't really think I would be personally looking for shorts in any big way. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.